A lot of people start with, it repairs scratches, prevents scuffs, protects paint. Sounds professional, but it doesn't connect with customers. What they really care about is, can this product solve my real-life car problems? Issue 1. Flying gravel on the road on the highway, or behind another car, flying gravel chips your paint over time. PPF absorbs that impact. It shields your car before damage happens. Issue 2. Dirty water splashes from cleaning trucks. Water trucks splash dirt and debris right onto your paint. With film on, your paint is protected. No more scratches, no more stains. Issue 3. Paint damage caused by regular car washes, dirty brushes, and towels cause swirl marks. Even if the car looks clean, PPF acts like invisible armor. Every wash, your paint stays safe. How do you explain it so customers actually listen? Don't talk features, ask, have you run into this? Give them a clear picture, show them you get it and can help. Selling PPF isn't about sounding smart. It's about being understood. Speak their pain points. That drives decisions. Want more high, converting sales tips. Like and subscribe. We've got more real world advice coming.